Good morning, guys. Marlon from Press Computers, and today we have a custom build from a customer. So the guy dropped it off, and I wanted to show you real quick. It looks like the motherboard went out, but eventually, if you're using a pump or heatsink, you have to replace the thermal paste and clean it, because over time it gets really dry, as you can tell, and it doesn't dissipate heat to the pump. Also, if you take a look at the fans in the pump, it's very, very dusty and it can clog the fans. So you got to make sure you blow it off. We recommend doing that every time you change your AC filters in your house. Also, he had a nice 980 Ti video card, so we're gonna go ahead and replace the motherboard and rebuild the entire unit. But pretty much, if you have any questions on any builds, if something goes along the way, just you can leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.